A very happy morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of mathematics in standard 6, that is knowing our numbers. As you have seen that the name of the chapter is knowing our numbers. So first of all, let's understand what a number is. Just see to it what I am going to do right now on the board. Just check it out what I am writing. I am writing first of all few digits. I have written first 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I have just stopped at 9. Just let us check that how many digits I have written on the board first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 digits I have written on the board. Why have I written 10 digits only? Because we are following decimal system in India. And one thing you have to know or you must know, that is in decimal system we are using base 10. That means we are using 10 different digits for making different type of numbers. These digits individually also form number. Like if we read, this is 0, this is one number, this is 1, this is also one number, 2 is again a number, 3 is also a number. Similarly 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 all are numbers. These all are known as one digit number because for making this one we need only one digit. But till standard 5 you have also read about those numbers which are forming with the help of more than one digit. I am writing few examples on the board. Just see to it. Suppose if I write this 2 and 4, that is 24. We know about it because here in this one we require two different digits to form the number. 24 is again a number. Here afterwards I am giving one more example, which is 369. This one we have formed with the help of three different digits. You can see 3, 6 and 9. There are three different digits which we have required to form again one number. I am writing one more example. 2, 4, 9, 6, 7. Now this comes the bigger number because till now we were dealing with a small number. This was simply a 2-digit number. It was very easy to read out. When it was 1-digit number, it was really easy. When we have written 3-digit number, again it was easy. But when I have written a number which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. When it contains 5 digits, it is really difficult to read it out what it is. So for reading these type of big numbers, we have to first understand about the places which they are occupying. It is very important to understand about the places. I am just starting from the first example which I have given you, which is this one, 24. How we are calling it 24? When we are thinking about the places which they occupy, you just check it. 4. 4 is at 1's place and 2 is at 10's place. So that is why 2 we are calling as 20 because 2 is at 10's place. So how 2 it will become 20? Because 2 and the places occupies is 10. So it becomes, that is why it becomes 20. So why we are calling it 24? Because this is 20 and this is 4. Together it becomes 24. Similarly, when we come to the next number, you just check it out now. 9 occupies 1's place, 6 occupies 10's place and 3 occupies 100 place. So that is why we are calling it 369 because we have to consider what places the numbers are occupying. Let's move to the next number. So this is obviously 1's place. We always write the places from the right hand side. Always remember this rule. You have to write the places from the right hand side. Okay, so this is your ones place, next one is your tens place, afterwards 100 place, then 1000 place, and afterwards next one is 10,000 place. So let's say together, this one is 10,000 place, so 20 into 10,000, so it is 20,000. 4 into 1000, that is 4,000. So together they will call us 24,967. So you can see one thing, when the numbers are becoming bigger and bigger, it is becoming difficult to pronounce that number properly. So if I give you one more example, let's see how to deal with it. I'm writing one more example here. Suppose the number is 946371240. Such a big number I have written on the board. Now this is the main task which we have to deal. We have to first understand how we are going to pronounce it. Every number occupies a proper place and we have to understand the place, then only we can give the number name to this number. So this time our task begins. Let's understand the things first, then we will come to the next thing, that is place value chart. First of all, we will understand about the places, what places they are occupying, and then we will come to the next thing. Okay, so just see to it. This is the ones place, as we know. This is 10th place, this is also known. Next one is 100th place. Afterward, 1000 place, this is also familiar. Next one is 10,000 place, we know about it. After 10,000, the next place will be lakh. Okay, remember this one. So it means that 3 occupies lakhs place, 6 occupies 10 lakh place, okay, and 4 occupies then crore. Okay, so after 1000, next we have written lakhs, and after lakhs we are going to write crore. Remember it. Okay, so this is crore and 9 will come to 10 crore. So now when we have to give number name to this big number, we have to understand the place. So when we are going to say the number name, we have to start from the left side. And then one more thing we have to do, we have to group the numbers according to the places. Like crores place, we are having two numbers, crore and 10 crore. These two numbers will be grouped together to when we are going to pronounce. Similarly, in case of 6 and 3, both occupies the lakhs and 10 lakh place. So similar places are there. So these two are going to group together. Next, for 1000 also we are going to do the same work. Let's hear how it works actually. So just see to it. 9 and 4, 94, and it is written with the help of crore. So 94 crore it will be. 6 and 3 both belongs to lakhs. So 63 lakhs together. I told you now, together we have to read or say about the numbers, whatever places they are occupying. Next one, next two are for 1000. So together they will be told 71,000, and the remaining one, as usual, we are saying like 240. So now let's see what the number name we are getting. 94 crore, 63 lakh, 71,240. Big numbers, very important to understand the places which they are occupying. For understanding these places, one thing we are going to do, we are going to form place value chart. Basically, in chapter 1, we are going to deal two types of place value chart. One is Indian place value chart and another one is international place value chart. So first of all, whatever we have discussed till now, it is related with the Indian place value chart. So first of all, let's understand how we are going to prepare Indian face value chart and Indian place value chart actually, and then afterwards I'll show you how to put the numbers and how to give the number names.